आप सभी का अरोमा साइंस क्लास में स्वागत है। आज का मुख्य विषय सॉल्ट है। आज हम लोग सॉल्ट के बारे में विस्तृत रूप से जानेंगे। सॉल्ट का मतलब नमक होता है। द केमिकल नेम ऑफ salt is sodium chloride. Its chemical formula is NaCl. Na means sodium, Cl means chlorine. The other names of NaCl, that is sodium chloride, are table salt, common salt, halite rock salt, regular salt, etc. The molecular weight of NaCl is 58.45. Now we see the equation of the formation of NaCl, sodium chloride. Sodium reacts with chlorine to form sodium chloride NaCl. The chemical name of sodium is natrium, and natrium is denoted by capital N small a Na. Hence sodium is represented by Na. Atomic number of sodium is 11. Atomic weight of sodium is 22.989769. Sodium belongs to block D, group 5, period 4 element. Its electronic configuration according to cell is KLM. K सेल में 2, L सेल में 8 और M सेल में 1. Sodium was discovered and first isolated by Sir Humphrey Davy in 1807. In the year 1807. Natrium is the Latin name of sodium. Now we learn about chlorine, which is denoted by capital C small l Cl. It is taken from Greek word chloros means yellowish green. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. It belongs to block P, group 17, periods 3 element. Atomic weight of chlorine is 35. Chlorine is the second lightest halogen after fluorine. It has the third highest electronegativity and the highest electron affinity of all the elements, making it a strong oxidizing agent. Now again we study about the discovery of chlorine. Discovery of chlorine. Chlorine was first isolated and discovered by Carl Wilhelm Scheele in 1774. It was first recognized as an element by Humphrey Davy in 1808. Humphrey Davy is a Humphrey Davy is a Cornish chemist in England, United Kingdom. Now we study about the properties of NaCl. NaCl is easily soluble in water. It is partially soluble or insoluble in other liquids. It is white crystal. It is odorless. It possesses a taste. In its aqueous state, NaCl acts as a good conductor of electricity owing to the free movement of the ions. It has a melting point of 801 degree centigrade. It has a boiling point of 1413 degree centigrade. Now we study about the usage of NaCl. NaCl is widely used in food industries as a food preservative and as a flavor enhancer. It is useful in manufacturing of sodium carbonate, etc. This salt is used in glass production, glass making. It is used as a good antibacterial agent. It kills the bacteria and stop the multiplication and development of bacteria or bacterial diseases in our body. It is useful for balancing blood pressure in our body. Now we are always utilized in our daily life. Now we study more uses of sodium chloride. It is useful for keeping the correct fluid balance in our body. It contracts and relaxes our muscles. It transmits nerve signals. It is used for making tasty food, especially in vegetables. Making vegetables. Now we study saline solution. We are also recognize the term saline solution, which are used by doctor to treat us when we suffering from dehydration disease or lose motion, or as necessary if applicable. When NaCl is mixed with water, which creates a saline solution. जब NaCl को पानी के साथ मिक्स किया जाता है, घुलाया जाता है, तब सलाइन सॉल्यूशन बनता है. मेडिकल यूजेज ऑफ सलाइन सॉल्यूशन. IV drips. Drips means following of liquid in drops. कोई भी तरल पदार्थ जो ड्रॉप में फ्लो होता है उसे ही ड्रिप्स कहते हैं, टपक कहते हैं, टप कहते हैं, टपकना आदि इसका अर्थ है. IV drips to treat dehydration and electrolyte imbalances and can be mixed with sugar. Secondly, nasal drops to clear congestion and reduce post-nasal drips and keep nasal cavity moist. अर्थात नेसल ड्रॉप्स बनाने में भी NaCl का उपयोग होता है. इसका उपयोग, नेसल ड्रॉप का उपयोग नाक में जो कंजेशन होता है, नाक जो जाम हो जाता है, उसको साफ़ करने में, क्लियर करने में और नेसल कैविटी को नम रखने में उपयोग होता है. Thirdly, cleaning wounds. घाव को साफ करने में भी इसका उपयोग होता है. आई ड्रॉप्स बनाने में इसका उपयोग होता है. टू ट्रीट आई रेडनेस, टीयरिंग एंड ड्राइनेस. सोडियम क्लोराइड इनहेलेशन बनाने में भी इस सोडियम क्लोराइड का उपयोग होता है. सोडियम क्लोराइड इनहेलेशन टू हेल्प टू क्रिएट म्यूकस टू कफ आउट. म्यूकस बनाने में मदद होता है और वो म्यूकस कफ के रूप में शरीर से बाहर कर दिया जाता है. लो सोडियम डाइट causes several diseases. Low sodium diet causes several diseases in our body. These diseases are high blood pressure and heart diseases. But excess salt causes also in our body. These are high blood pressure, heart diseases, kidney diseases, increased water retention that can lead to swelling in our body. हमारे शरीर में वाटर को रोक लेता है जिससे हमारा शरीर फूल जाता है, फूलने लगता है. Now we study the pH value of NaCl. The pH value of NaCl is 7. NaCl is a neutral salt. Now we study the effect of NaCl on the blue as well as red litmus paper. There is no any effect of NaCl on the blue as well as red litmus paper. Now we study halogen elements. Examples of halogen elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, tennessine, having atomic numbers 9, 17, 35, 53, 85 and 117 respectively. Astatine is a radioactive element, whereas tennessine TS is a synthetic radioactive element. Now we study about iodine, which is denoted by capital I. The human body needs iodine but cannot make it. The thyroid gland needs iodine to make hormones. In absence of iodine, we are suffering from enlarged thyroid gland that is whiter. Usage of iodine. It is used in our regular salt. It is used for water purification. It is used in radiation emergency given by doctor to the patients if necessary. Now we study 30 ppm iodine is necessary in our daily use salt NaCl. ppm is most important for salt. ppm is most important for salt. WHO, World Health Organization recommendation is to have a good level of ppm in salt is necessary for good health of persons or human beings. Now we study the full form of ppm, parts per million. P stands for parts, another P stands for per, and M stands for million. Now the full form of ppm is parts per million. Concentration of 15 to 30 ppm of iodine in salt at household level is necessary to consume. Salt iodine content at packaging level must be 50 to 60 ppm, and at retail shop 20 to 30 ppm is necessary to require to achieve at least 15 ppm in the household dietary consumption. So iodized salt is salt that contains a small amount of sodium iodide or potassium iodide. Adults need 140 micrograms of iodine a day. In our sense, the best examples of iodized salt is RCM triple refined 30 ppm salt, which completes the actual demands of iodine in the human body. But several brands or products of different companies about salt are available in our market, but it is our prime duty to see the level of ppm over the cover of salt. 30 ppm is necessary, maximum 30 ppm is necessary for our health, but minimum 15 ppm is also necessary. So please see the level of ppm on any product available in our market. अब हम लोग देखते हैं आरसीएम का एक प्रोडक्ट है आरसीएम सॉल्ट, जिस पर लिखा हुआ है ट्रिपल रिफाइंड आयोडाइज्ड सॉल्ट। कहा गया है, क्या आप जानते हैं आपके नमक में कम से कम 30 ppm आयोडीन होना चाहिए। आप अभी जाएं और देखें कि आपके नमक में 30 ppm आयोडीन है या नहीं। अगर नहीं तो इस बारे में सोचिए और समझिए। पेश है ट्रिपल रिफाइंड 30 ppm आयोडीन से भरपूर नमक, जो आपके शरीर की आवश्यक आयोडीन की मात्रा को पूरी करता है। अतः आरसीएम का यह रिफाइंड आयोडाइज्ड सॉल्ट है, ट्रिपल आयोडाइज्ड है और 30 ppm आयोडीन से भरपूर है। देखिए, ये सॉल्ट का आरसीएम सॉल्ट का आगे का पोर्शन है। पीछे के पोर्शंस में बहुत सारे रॉ मटेरियल्स हैं जिनका उपयोग इस प्रोडक्ट को बनाने में हुआ है। इसी के साथ आज का वीडियो जो एजुकेशनल पर्पस के लिए है समाप्त किया जाता है। धन्यवाद।